Well, hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Life is Tiff Knows It. Tiff here bringing you a very short and sweet unboxing of these really cute diamond painting greeting cards that I found at Michael's. So Michael's, if you have not gone, is for a while, or maybe you have, you might notice that they have a huge Valentine's Day section and selection. One of the cards was this one. I also purchased a really cute other card design that I'll probably make part of this video as well. But this design is super cute. It's very simple. I love the little black and white hearts, and it's just XOXO. So this project is definitely going to be not take you very long at all to make. They retail for $7.99. They were not currently on sale, but I did end up getting a 40% off coupon. So I paid $5.10 for 4 greeting cards. It makes 4 of them for Valentine's Day. And you can see that this kit has quite a few things in it. It has envelopes, and let's get into it and see. So I'm going to do a little movie magic, as Mrs. Coffee would say, to open this up. Okay, here we are. So, as I had said, the kit comes with 4 cards. The material of the cards are kind of like the slick material, which I think's nice. Sorry, I'm traveling, so I don't have my tripod with me. Sorry if it's a little shaky. Inside the card, let's look. I think it's just blank. Yes, it is. So you can be very, you can do whatever you want with that card, and then just a blank back as well. It literally just has 4 colors. This would be such an easy project. You could buy a ton of these and give them out for Valentine's Day. I know I always love getting Valentine's Day cards. The kit itself comes with wax, its own pen, and I do like that it has storage bags so that you don't have to get them all done at once or, waste storage for 4 colors. Then it comes with envelopes that are quite a bit bigger than the card. That was a little surprising to me. Has a little guide of how to diamond paint. And then just 4 colors. So if we're looking at the colors, they are all crystal drills. There's a dark red, a light pink, a silver, and then more of a traditional red. And it just goes on these letters here. The drill quality looks great, and the drill field's super clear. I mean, I think I could bust this out in like 20 minutes. Like super, super easy. How cute are they? I absolutely love them. Let's check the stickiness on it. Very sticky. That's super important for greeting cards especially. So yeah, I definitely am planning on getting some of these done. Might do a little hyperlapse video of completing one of them just so you can see the process. And yeah, and I'll make sure to include the other card that I purchased that is Valentine's Day themed. Okay, I'm filming this several days later, but I wanted to make sure I filmed part 2 because I have 2 different varieties. They, I think, had about 6 varieties of different diamond painting cards when I went to Michael's for Valentine's Day. And I really like these designs because of those designs. These ones, like, they're Valentine's Day themed, but I could see that this would be cute on different occasions too for dog lovers. There's many dog lovers out there. And so, yeah, I just wanted to check it out. Again, this is just like the other unboxing you just saw with the packaging, so I'm not going to get into that. There's 4 cards. I was painting with my daughter and just realized I had paint on me still. That's okay, right? So let's look at the actual cards and the drills. Let's get into it. Hopefully you're doing well. I do appreciate it comes in. It would be cool if this was a Ziploc bag to just keep everything in place, but that's okay. I like that it comes in a bag that's kind of resealable. I mean, it doesn't rip right away, so that's good. Look at how cute these are. I love them. This dog looks so cute and stylish. So the material of the card is slick, has a glossy finish to it like the other card. The It's very sticky, so you got that going for you. Especially important with greeting cards, I'd say. The drill field, super clear, as you can see. No worries in reading those. I mean, the B here might be, I think it's pretty clear, but that's probably the hardest to read of all of it. Such a simple project. Like, I'm sure this will take half an hour to 45 minutes to, or less. I'm a bad gauge of time, but this is going to be a very short-term project. Inside is blank, gives you a lot of freedom. And then the back, oh, is that from me? The paint? Maybe it is, but I don't have blue paint on. Maybe it's from my nails because my daughter also did my nails, but that's kind of odd. That's a bummer that has paint on it. Do they all have? They do. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So that wasn't a me thing. That must have been something from the actual kit itself. I'm planning on selling these, so that's a little bit of a bummer, but hopefully it's not too noticeable. I think they'd still be sellable. But interesting. Let's see what might have rubbed off to create that, shall we? So we have our traditional envelopes here. Hopefully they're not scarred up or mucked up at all. Those look fine. Got our directions. Maybe it's something from the paint on here. It doesn't look smeared or anything. So weird. We look at our toolkit, typical toolkit. The pen comes with a squishy, which is nice. You get the blue wax, which I think's great. And then like a normal boat. We also have our drills, which are very minimal. This is enough drills for all 4 of the cards. There's crystal drills in here, which I think creates a cute little finish on them. And then, let's see here. So we got nice, cute pink that's going to complement the card background really well. Black, really bright, vibrant red. A pink crystal drill. Brown for that puppy's eyes. And then white. Super simple. And I like simplistic cards. I think these are going to look adorable. So now I'm going to switch to probably doing a hyperlapse of completing each of these cards. And then I'll give you a poster. Just like that, they're done. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. I really, really love these cards. I am a huge fan of black and white, so I love the contrast of the black and white on this one. Um, yeah, I think that the design's really great. I had no problems with this card at all, really. It was really nice to work on. This one just worked up so quick. I think probably 20 minutes this was done. I love the crystal effect. I think it looks it has like that nice 3D look. You can see that, well, the lighting's probably changed because now it's nighttime. But I started both these cards around 3:30 and it's now 5:15. And in between I had some mom stuff I was doing. So you can tell they don't take long to make it all. So that was the first card. No problems at all. This card, same thing. I mean, I'm still bummed that the back has this little smidge of paint. That's just kind of so weird. It's kind of strange, I mean. It's so weird. I really like this design. I think that the dog, I'm not a huge dog fan, but how cute is this? Like, come on now. So, yeah, I love the cards. I think they have a nice quality to them. They're simplistic, which I enjoy, and I really hope that other people go out and buy them. The cost, I believe I said, but they're $7.99. I got them for 40% off with coupons. I went at different times. Likely when you go in, if it's closer to Valentine's Day or after Valentine's Day, you could probably snag these for a discounted price. For cards for $7.99, that's a really good deal. My one little feedback that's negative, and it's a little bit petty on my part, is that I wish that the drills fit better in the boat that it came with. Like, I feel that the crystal drills, they're slightly bigger in size, and so they get stuck in the grooves. You might have noticed I had a little helper helping me with this one momentarily, and she was struggling to pick up the diamonds with this. But I mean, most people who diamond paint, they use their own accessories. It's really not a big deal. I would give this product a 9.5 out of 10. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to be what was I even going to say? I'm going to be completing, not repeating, completing all of these cards. So I have 8 cards total and have 5 to do because I already actually completed this one a little bit earlier. But I wanted to make sure you saw the process of it, saw the completed product. If you like this type of content, please let me know by liking this video, commenting. It's very helpful for me to kind of understand what are people wanting to see. I love making this content. I hope you like seeing it. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing. I put out diamond painting content on a weekly basis. I also do a lot with yarn stuff as well. And I did recently launch a Buy Me a Coffee if you're so inclined in supporting me in that way. All those things would make my day. All are not necessary, but they would be helpful. Thank you so much. I will see you in another video. Bye.